So hopefully today is the day where the 240 starts. The last couple times that we tried to start it, it caught on fire, unfortunately. But we were taking care of all the issues that were making it catch on fire. So hopefully we have everything good, and it's better to figure it out now before I'm driving it and it catches on fire. So we pretty much have everything back together, and we can try to start it again. From the last time we tried to start it and it caught on fire, all the gas should have evaporated already. So now we can try start it again.
Actually, just crank it. I want to see if that fitting is gonna leak. All the way for 3 seconds. That was that. It did that on its own.
Really?
Okay, wait. Time out. Time out. It is gonna leak.
It's gonna leak?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we have an issue with the banjo fitting leaking on the what's it called? On the fuel rail, on the inlet. So I'm gonna actually flare this stock metal line instead of the fitting that I have on there, so that way it'll seal better. So if you guys look, we got some fuel dripping down. It's wet with fuel. I believe it's leaking from this fitting right here, as well as this rubber hose right here. You can tell it's not like sealing properly. So we're gonna go ahead and put that line back on here, and hopefully that fixes the trick. So let's go ahead and flare it. So we just need a little section out of it. I'm debating if we should. So it goes like this. I think I'm gonna just try to cut it here. So watch. This is how you do it.
What is this?
This is a line cutting tool. I don't know what the proper name for it is, but there. Then you pretty much find which size. So it's not this one, it's gonna be this one right here. So you see how this edge is flat? When you put a line on this, it'll slip right off. So what you do is you flare the end so that way the holes can't come off. So make sure you clamp it down tight. You take this thing, and lock it in place, just like this. And then you just tighten this down, and you're gonna see it's gonna create a beveled edge. See how the edge is now flared? It's not flat, so when you stick a pipe over this, not a pipe but a tube, it can't slide off because it's not straight anymore. It's like flared. See that? So that's what this is. I'm just trying to prime the fuel rail to see if it's leaking or not.
Oh, like not sliding?
Another one of those? One time? Oh, wait, it's going pressure. That was all the cylinders. Try it again. Try it.
Whoa.
You think we're out of gas?
I think we're out of gas. I've been out of gas like a long time. So the car might not have gas, so we're just adding a little bit more to fill it up.
little bit.
Just a little bit?
Try. Oh, it looks like running on its own. Where's the...
I wasn't holding the brake that time.
Okay. Try.
The brakes?
No, but just try. Try again. Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Feels like it's almost gonna start. So there is a vacuum leak somewhere.
Yeah.
And do you know where it is?
I think it's coming from the manifold or the intake, the throttle. What is it called? This thing, the throttle pipe.
Oh, is it because the nuts aren't there?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, really?
Gosh, it runs. We have to adjust the idle, but it runs. Yo, it runs. Yo.
It runs?
Yo, it runs.
Oh.
Yo, it runs. Yo, that's so sick. That's super sick. Yeah, I need to adjust the idle just a tad bit. See how it like.
Guys, this is so exciting. So what do we have to do to make it keep on?
Just idle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, because is the gas pedal not hooked up to this?
It is, but there's a little bit of a slack.
Oh.
Try. Try start it. Let me see what's starting this one. Try. But yeah, it freaking runs. We did it. Yo, we did it. It freaking runs.
It's so crazy.
Yo. It took a lot, huh?
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. No.
It wasn't that bad.
I gotta adjust the idle a little bit. Other than that, it runs, guys. Like it's running. That was freaking cool.
That was so cool.
Good job. Good job, guys. We did it. All of us.
I'm so excited that it actually works. for the price you got it for? Because you were saying like the worst case scenario is the engine is just broken.
Yeah, but no, it freaking runs. And it sounds so good too. Like it sounds so good. We couldn't let it run for long, but that was a good 30 seconds running on its own.
Yeah.
We need to hook up like all the radiator and stuff like that, so we didn't want to run it long without it being cool. So now that we know it runs, we can put everything back together and pretty much make it back to a whole car again.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is super cool.
It sounds so cool too.